Russian puppy. Gonna be doing a little bit of working today. I was showing you around basically in our workshop, messing around with some stuff. Look at that, pretty amazing. Got a lot of stuff we gotta get done. Got some projects for this lawnmower. Gotta get the big red fixed. The wheels are coming off. We got a little custom made, or so far, almost finished ripstick here. We gotta get everything spray painted and all. Okay. So today, we need to figure out what we're going to do with this badminton set. It's been sitting here for about 2 or 3 months. Yeah. Sit it down over here. Take it to my friend Charles. Might play in the yard as a child or something with it later. Selling that. Found out a hardware store out today. That's like a pawn shop kind of thing. But yep, we got a lot of projects working on. We're gonna make us some crazy video up next. Be driving around. As soon as we get this thing fixed and all, we'll be pretty good. Alrighty. So this battery right here, they're all in place. And this. Okay. So we got to really sweep out this place a little bit. Alright, now we're going to show you inside of this little place here. A little work shed kind of thing. Takes a little bit of force to get this thing open. I'm going to do it with one hand. Hold up just a minute, fellas. Alrighty, here we go. Into the room. This is where we customize all the bicycles, 4-wheelers, scooters, all kind of stuff. Oh yeah, Aunt Benani wants one of these. We might want to give it to her for our new ceiling fan. But now, set it right there. We got some old paint, some auto power, spark plug tools. Got a lot of extension cords, leaf blowers. Practicing up riding my skateboard. Thinking about doing a video on that. Okay. Got a little hammer. Got some Duracell batteries. Look at that. That's amazing, friend. Good batteries. We got back-to-back mothers right here, man. Yeah. Good stuff, good stuff. Oh, don't forget the WD-40 stuff. That is the stuff. It really helps unrusting some chains and all that other good stuff. Oh, wait. Got to turn out the lights. And I want an extra highlight bureau again. But yeah. Got this cast thing empty. Refill that sucker for the 4-wheeler. We get that, then we're gonna go do some trails and stuff. Make a little video on that. Pretty cool. Go back with my friend Darren. Yeah. Got a little golf cart. Still got some stuff we gotta move around and dump out some waste. Like down here, that's what we gotta clean out. It's a little gutter. making a custom bottle thing. You just sip out the top like that. So open it up. Pretty cool, but pretty ghetto at the same time. Oh yeah, car cleaner. Okay. Getting this rug cleaned up. That's basically all we got in the old workshop here, fellas, for now. People are going to be sending in more stuff soon for us to get together and work on. That's my friend's four-wheel about there. Grandpa's good old lawnmower. Still needs some little cleaning work here and there. Get all that squeak out. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, maybe a comment, subscribe if not yet already. Yeah, we'll do another one of these later if we get some new good stuff in. But hope you enjoy. Don't forget to check out some more of my good videos. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.